here to this video where we'll be looking after my weekly PNL, and I'll be sharing three trading advices with you all through my personal experience. Alright, so coming down to the first step. So as you know, we started this account with around 10 lakhs, and if you'll see, this week was really good for us somewhere, where everything worked in our favor, right? And we made around 6% on the capital deployed, which is like really good in a week, right? Yeah. So, coming down to the advices I would like to give you all is, whenever you are basically getting started, number one is develop an edge in your trading system. Okay, so many people uh, start that trading journey with option buying because it requires less of capital, right? But they don't know the level of psychology, the level of skill you need when you enter, basically do option buying is just next level. So you'll need to keep learning about it, right? And then you will basically develop an edge about this specific thing after you get some personal experience in the market, right? So if I take example of myself, I tried out everything and I figured out that hedging basically works the best for me in stocks and the indices, right? So you know basically it took a while, but my nature, uh, basically, even your psychology and nature matters in trading. So according to my nature, this hedging and option selling suits me, right? Because you just need to keep making adjustments. Obviously you take your stop losses as well, but it's a safer approach towards the market if you're trading with some big capital, right? So always develop an edge in your trading system, be it option buying, be it option selling, or hedging. All right. So then, coming down to the second thing is risk management is super important. All right. So guys, what happens in trading is your risk management and your money management has to be like really good. Okay. So this means accepting losses, when you figure out that you are wrong. So just say for example, let's take an example of the last trading session, last week's Friday. All right. So if we come down, this is the Friday session, right? So market had already given us a directional move, and I was expecting a little bit of consolidation or a correction, right? But and I entered somewhere around 9:45 or 10, and the call side premiums were expanding so fast that my stop loss got hit, and I had approached that even if the market consolidates, I had shorted call options, so I'll receive some premiums at least, as the VIX was pretty high. But my stop loss got hit, and immediately in the next half an hour the market started falling, and it gave like a 200 to 20 point correction, right? So but what happens here is you have to accept losses when you are wrong. So even there would have been one possibility जहाँ market पूरा trend कर जाता, right? And you know basically this means you have to follow the rules, right? Even how basically you can't there are going to be times when you prove out to be wrong, or there are going to be times when your stop loss gets hit and then the trade starts working in your favor. But what will happen here is, if you don't follow the rule of risk management, say एक दो बार ऐसा हो जाएगा out of 5-6 times, but that one trending move, if you don't take your trade out on the stop loss, can hurt you like really bad, right? So risk management is like really important in trading. So according to your risk appetite, you need to set rules for yourself. How much am I willing to risk on a specific trade, on a specific day, on a specific week, right? So you should always trust your trading system, whatever you have developed. And there are going to be times when you will be proven wrong. So those are the times when a good trader will always accept, and there is always going to be a next day, right? Coming down to the third topic is always stay neutral biased. Okay, so what does this mean, right? So many people, you know, try to predict the market. Okay, they think कि इतना ऊपर गया है, it should fall, और इतना नीचे गया है, it should bounce back from here. But this never happens in trading. Your basically trading is whatever the charts are indicating you, what is the price telling you. Okay, so trading always has to be that way. So you need to be neutral in the market, right? So you have to follow whatever the charts are telling you, right? So always stay neutral biased in trading. This can take your trading game a level higher. Okay, if you keep trading what with what are the charts indicating, it will always be beneficial for you guys. All right, so never have an approach, basically view, if your views can go wrong sometimes, right? So always follow what the price is saying. Okay, so yeah, this was it for today. I hope you guys like this video. I hope you all learned something through it. Okay, I'll see you all in the next one. Take care, guys. Thank you.